The next one is on data interpretation. Let us look at the first question. See what is given. Refer to the following table and answer the given questions. Number of magazines sold by 6 stores in 6 different months. The number of magazines sold by store F in April is approximately what percentage less or more than the number of magazines sold by store D in the same month. See, the number of magazines sold by store F in April. Store F in April is 320. And the number of magazines sold by store D. Store D is 185. So what is the percentage that we are looking for? 320 minus 185 divided by 185 into 100. This is what we are looking at. Because they are asking what percentage less or more than the number of magazines sold by store D in the same month. Okay, store F compared to store D. So that's why you are taking store D value in the denominator. So what do you get? 320 minus 185, you will get 135 by 185 into 100. Now to solve this at this point, what do you do? See, you know what is 50% of 185? 50% of 185 you know is 92.5. Similarly, what will be 60% of 185? 60% of 185 will be 92.5 plus another 18.5. So next what will be 70% of 185 will be this 92.5 plus 18.5 into 2, correct? See, I know 50% of 185 is 92.5. What is 10% of 185? It is 18.5. So I said 60% of 185 is 92.5 plus 18.5. So what will be 70%? 92.5 plus 18.5 into 2, or that is nothing but 92.5 plus 37, which is equal to 129 approximately. Correct? So 70% of 185 is 129. So this value 135 has to be little more than 70%. Now look at the options that you have. See, you have 73% less. Less options immediately you can eliminate because definitely it's going to be more. Correct? The magazines sold by store F is more than what is sold by store D. So the percentage that we are looking at is more value. So definitely these two I can eliminate. Now the options that we have remaining is 73%, 85% and 82%. See, you know 70% of 185 is 129. So if I have to find out 80% of 185, it will be what? 80% is going to be this 129 plus 18.5. The value that I have is only 135. So definitely that value has to be, that percentage that I am looking for is between 70% and 80%. By looking at the options, I can choose this as the answer. This should be eliminated. Next question. If the number of magazines sold by store B in the month of March had been 15 less, then what would have been the average of the number of magazines sold by all the stores together in the month of March? So in the month of March, if you look at the number of magazines, they are saying store B is they are selling 15 magazines less. So how much are they selling in store B? 256 minus 15. 256 minus 15 or 241. Now what are we left with? We are left with okay, now remaining figures are as such. You have to find out the average number of magazine sold by all the stores. How many stores are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stores are there. Just find out the total magazines sold divided by 6. So 278 plus 241 plus 154 plus 215 plus 168 plus 198. This divided by 6 should give you the answer. Yeah, so at this point you have to add these numbers. See, you can either use the digit sum method where you add 8 plus 1 each, first the units digit followed by the tens digit followed by the hundreds digit. The other way to do it will be to do, see, 200 plus 200, 400, 400 plus, that is split the numbers and add. How do you split the numbers and add? See, you have 200 plus 200 is 400, 400 plus 100 is 500, 500 plus 200 is 700, 700 plus 100 is 800, 800 plus 100 is 900. So you will have 900 plus, again I am adding the tens digit, 70 plus 40, 70 plus 40 is 110, 110 plus 50 is 160. 160 plus 10 is 170. 170 plus 60 is 230. 230 plus 90 is 320. Then you have 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. Then you have 18 plus 8, that is 26. 26 plus 8, that is equal to 32. So this is the other way in which you can add. See, either add the digit sum method, means you'll have to add first add the units digit followed by the tens place, take the carry and do that. Otherwise split the numbers and add like how I did. When you do this also, you should get the answer. You will get it as, I think, 1254 divided by 6, that is equal to 209. So the answer that we are looking at is option A, 209. Next one, the difference between the total number of magazines sold by all the given stores in April and that sold by all the stores together in May is dash. Again, this question, you have to find out. See, in April, you have to find out the sum of all these, correct? That will give you the total number of books sold in April. Similarly, find out the total number of books sold in May. And you have to find the difference between the total number of magazines sold in April and May together. So all of you are giving me the answer as option 326, that is option D. So if you solve it, actually you should get here 1289 and here it should be 1615. Take the difference, you should get 326. The method that you follow, as I said for the previous question, either use the digit sum method or use the split and merge method. You should be able to get the answer. Answer is option D. Next one. What is the ratio of the total number of magazines sold by store A and D together in January to that of those sold by store E and F together in February? So A and D in January, E and F in February. So how much is A and D selling together in January? In January, A and D together they sell 143 plus 282. 425 magazines. In February, E and F together they sell 220 plus 180, or that is equal to 400. Now, what is the ratio between the total number of magazines sold? What is the ratio that we are looking at? 425 divided by 400, that is equal to 17 by 16. This is the answer that we are looking at. Correct answer is option B. Next one. The total number of magazines sold by store C in the month of March and June together is what percentage of that sold by store C in all the given months together? So March and June, magazine C, March, June. So you have 154 plus 236, that is equal to 390 divided by what percentage of that sold by store C in all the given months together. So store C in all the given months together means you have to find out 230 plus 245 plus 154 plus 284 plus 270 plus 286 to 236. So when you do this, you get the answer as 1419. So this is the percentage that they are looking at. So this is approximately 27.48%. Correct answer will be option D. So a lot of you are giving me the correct answer. Yes, correct. 27.48%. Again, you can check. How do you check? I hope you see, we have been discussing this for so many problems now. See, 1419, that is the number that you have. Find out what is 10% of 1419, 20% and 30%. See where this value 390 comes. It should be little less than 30% of 1419. So you can, from the options, you can take the answer as option D, that is 27.48.